Your check engine light just turned on. What should you do next? Ignore it, panic, or get it checked? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 10 crucial things to check immediately when your check engine light comes on. Some issues are simple, but others could cost you thousands if ignored. Let's get started. 1. Check performance issues. First, observe how your car is behaving. The check engine light is your car's way of saying something isn't right. But does it feel different? Loss of power. If your car isn't accelerating normally, it could be a failing sensor, clogged fuel injector, or transmission issue. Rough idling. If your engine is vibrating too much at a stop, there might be a misfire or vacuum leak. Frequent stalling. This could indicate problems with the fuel system, spark plugs, or sensors like the MAF mass airflow sensor. Weird noises. A knocking, rattling, or ticking sound might mean engine damage, timing issues, or a misfire. If your car doesn't feel normal, get it checked immediately. 2. Is the light flashing or steady? Next, look at the check engine light itself. A flashing check engine light is a serious problem. This usually means an engine misfire that can damage the catalytic converter. Stop driving immediately and get it checked. A steady check engine light means the issue isn't as urgent, but still needs attention. You can keep driving carefully and diagnose it soon. 3. Look for other warning lights. The check engine light doesn't always come alone. Look at your dashboard for additional warning lights. Oil pressure warning. If this light is on, turn off the engine immediately. Running with low oil pressure can destroy your engine. Temperature gauge high. Overheating is dangerous. If your temperature gauge is rising or there's steam from the hood, pull over immediately and let the engine cool. Battery warning light. If this comes on, your battery or alternator could be failing, leading to electrical problems or a car that won't restart. 4. Check for smoke or smells. Step outside and check for any smoke or strange odors. Blue smoke? Your car may be burning oil due to worn piston rings or valve seals. White smoke? This could mean a coolant leak, possibly from a blown head gasket. Black smoke? Your engine is burning too much fuel, possibly due to a faulty fuel injector or sensor. Burning smell? Overheating engine parts, leaking oil, or electrical problems could be the cause. If you see thick smoke or a strong burning smell, turn off your engine and call for help. 5. Pop the hood. If it's safe, pop the hood and do a quick visual inspection. Look for loose, broken, or disconnected wires. Sometimes a simple wire issue can trigger the check engine light. Check for leaks under the car. Oil, coolant, or fuel leaks can indicate a serious issue. Listen for hissing sounds. This could mean a vacuum leak, which can cause rough idling and power loss. If you notice any of these, you might have found the problem. 6. Scan for trouble codes. Next, if you have an OBD2 scanner, plug it into the diagnostic port, usually under the dashboard, and check for trouble codes. If you get a code, look it up or take it to a mechanic for diagnosis. 7. Check the gas cap and air filter. Sometimes the problem is simple. Check your gas cap. If it's loose or broken, your car may think there's a fuel leak, triggering the check engine light. Tighten it and see if the light goes off after a few drives. Also, check your air filter. A dirty air filter can reduce airflow to the engine, affecting fuel efficiency and performance. 8. Watch your fuel economy. Have you noticed your car using more fuel than usual? A failing oxygen sensor, mass airflow sensor, or fuel injectors could be causing it. A bad oxygen sensor can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 40%. A faulty mass airflow sensor can make the engine run too rich or too lean. Clogged fuel injectors can cause misfires, hesitation, and poor fuel economy. If you're filling up your gas tank more often than usual, this could be the cause. 9. Drive cautiously. If your check engine light is on but your car is running fine, drive cautiously until you diagnose the problem. Avoid hard acceleration. This can make existing issues worse. Heavy loads. If you're towing or carrying a lot of weight, ease off to reduce engine stress. High speeds. Drive at moderate speeds until the issue is checked. If your car starts acting up, pull over and get it checked. 10. When to see a mechanic. If you can't figure out the issue or the check engine light stays on, it's time to visit a mechanic. Ignoring the light could lead to bigger, more expensive repairs. A mechanic can do a full diagnostic test and pinpoint the exact issue. If your car is still driving fine, don't panic, but don't ignore it either. One of the most common questions is, can you drive with the check engine light on? When you can keep driving, but should get it checked soon, you can drive cautiously if the check engine light is on but steady. This usually means a non-urgent issue like a sensor problem or minor emissions fault. The car is running normally. No loss of power, shaking, or strange noises. There are no other warning lights like oil pressure, temperature, or battery. Even if everything seems fine, don't ignore it for too long. Modern cars rely heavily on sensors, and a small issue can turn into a big one. When you should stop driving. Immediately, pull over and turn off your engine if your oil pressure warning light is on. Driving without proper oil pressure can destroy your engine in minutes. Your engine temperature is rising or overheating. Continuing to drive could lead to a blown head gasket or serious damage. The car is losing power, shaking, or making loud noises. This could mean internal engine damage. You smell burning, fuel, or electrical odors. This could indicate an engine fire risk or a serious mechanical issue. Bottom line, if your check engine light is on but the car runs fine, drive cautiously and diagnose it soon. But if the car feels off, stop immediately and get help. That's it. Now you know 10 important things to check when your check engine light comes on. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more car repair tips, and drop a comment below with any questions. See you in the next video.